All of the video you just watched were made by this single tool called Seedance 0.2. It's amazing. It's a tool that you can use to convert either your images to video or text to video. It is very good to use. And now that Grok is no longer works, I feel like this is a tool that you should all content creators should really dive into to try to make use of and take advantage of this. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to make use of this tool, exploit, create videos by simply using images or using text. It's very straightforward and it's very good for YouTube automation. If you're trying to get into YouTube automation, this is a tool that you should make use of and look into using. All right. So if you're new here, my name is Gerard. I make it to follow tutorial. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and at the end of this video, if you find it worthy, you drop a comment in the comment section below. So without wasting much time, let's get down to business. I'm going to switch my laptop right now and then show you guys on how to make use of this very tool, step by step on how to make use of this tool. I'm going to leave a link to this tool in the description below. So if you want to make use of it, you can just click on it and then sign up and then make use of this very tool. So without wasting much time, let's get down to business. So to make use of this tool, first of all, you have to come to this URL here, which I'm going to leave in the description below. So when you come to this URL, you just click, you can sign up using either your Google account or your Gmail, whichever one you decide to use. As I posted this video, I just signed up using my Google account. So first of all, when you enter here, when you come to this side, you're going to see some of the stuff here. You're going to see Seedance 2.0. You can see Google View 3. You're going to see Sora, but we're going to be sticking to this Seedance 0.2. This is it, what we're making use of. And also this site has like different stuff here. You can also create images using these tools here, Nano Banana, the image. You can also lip sync videos, or you can also refer people and also gain coins from there. All right. So like I said, for post this video, we'll be making use of this very Sedan 0.2. That's our main focus of this video. Here you can see some of the videos that has been created. This video I'm playing here is specifically was created using Seedance 0.2, which is like super amazing. If you scroll down here, you can see other videos that were created using this page. Yeah, all right, but we'll try to use we want to try to create a video here. So if you come here, you're going to see that here you can upload your image right here. All right, so you can also use image to video, or you can use text to video, depending on what you have. You can, if you have like a text that you want to convert it to video, you can also make use of it here, right? But let's use image to video for this purpose of this video. So we want to click here, then we want to select our image. Want to select the image that we want to use. So we're going to come here, then I'm going to paste our prompt. I'm going to leave a prompt, this very prompt I'm using in the description below so that you can also use it. So pasted this prompt here. As you can see it here, we're going to come here. I'm going to select 16 by 9 because I'm going to make use of the normal YouTube video size. And here, very importantly, make sure you select Seedance 0.2 fast, not pro. Fast because you're going to generate it faster, the video faster for you. The pro is going to take a little while to generate it for you. So we're going to select here the video duration is 4 seconds, but I can increase it to as can increase as high as 15 seconds if I want to. All right. So if it depends on the kind of content you're using. For the post of this video, I'm going to set it 15 seconds and then I want to hit generate here, right here. So we're going to wait for our video to generate. You can see generating masterpiece. So after a short while, our video will be ready. So when your video is ready, you can just come straight into your profile here and you'll be able to see your video here. So let's just see what this has created. You can see the amazing video that this stuff has created for us. It's really amazing. So you can also create more videos like this by simply just using your image or converting image to prompt. Thanks for watching. I hope that was useful. I hope that was entertaining. Please make sure you click on that link and also like this video and also subscribe to my channel. And tell me, what's the first video that you'll be using this tool to create in the comment section below? Tell me in the comment section below. And I'm going to pick one lucky subscriber and give them log into my account so that they'll be able to make use of this credit. So if you're interested in this, just comment creds or AI in the description, in the comment section below, and I'll hand over this account to you. See you guys in the next video.